People are living longer and taking more financial responsibility for themselves. So my main research area is financial decision-making in retirement. My PhD thesis studied the demand for long-term care and longevity insurance. So the whole thesis used data from the US and Australia, but I also think the results have implications for other countries. But the main research topic here is to study the retirement age in China, because this is currently the hot public debate in China. Because the government is trying to delay the full retirement age, where you can entitle to 100% of your pension. But lots of people are not happy with that. So my research studied the implications to individuals if the Chinese government defer this retirement age. The sample group is pre-retirees, people aged from 50 to 64, something like that. And then we hired a research company, and then they send out emails to ask them to participate in the survey. And these participants, they are paid for doing the survey. So most of the aged care insurance is provided by the government in Australia. So to facilitate people thinking about these issues, we ask them some warm-up questions. For example, how likely do you think you're going to use home care? How do you think you're going to have to move to a residential care facility? So once you ask them to give them, about average, or better than average, or lower chance than average, then they start thinking of these questions, and then they want to know how much would it cost me, and then we provide the information on these things. So we collect this information beforehand and provide them. I think we produce high-quality research in many areas of the population aging, not only the economics, but also the actuarial pricing of products, and some medicine development, and some demographers. And also the good thing of having all these disciplines together as a collective center is that you can share knowledge within disciplines. And people don't do that if you have a demography school or you have actuarial school, economics school, they don't talk to each other. And the journals in this field don't talk to each other. Only if these people work together and then they suddenly realize, hey, maybe I can use your model, or maybe I can use your results. Maybe we should co-author a paper. And then the productivity, I think, is better.